Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee and you are viewing my channel Dr. Subrata Mukherjee Distance Learning in Commerce. I would request my viewers to subscribe the channel and to see the playlist section of the channel where I have uploaded lectures on accounts, costing, financial management and management accounting. I have created this channel for the benefits of students of commerce who cannot afford private tuition but want to have access to quality education. Please give your valuable comments and student can communicate with me through email that I have given in the description box. Today I am going to discuss a problem on consignment account. This is lecture number 4 and you can see the other 3 lectures you can see in the playlist section of the channel. Excel Chemicals Limited consigned to National Chemicals Company 2000 kgs of a chemical. The cost of chemical and freight thereon were rupees 18 and rupee 1 per kg respectively. An account sales was received from the consignee showing 1000 kgs sold at rupees 32 per kg. Sales expenses amounted to rupee 1 per kg, landing charges rupees 1000. Brokerage at 10% and consignee's commission at 2.5%. They also reported a shortage of weight of 40 kgs on the whole consignment, which was due to the inherent quality of the chemical. So, the consignment account and the consignee's account in the books of the consignor. Here, we have to prepare the consignment account and the consignee account in the books of consignor. So, here I am writing in the books of Excel Chemicals Limited consignment account. So on the debit side, we have to write to goods sent on consignment account. So what is the amount of goods sent? So 2000 kgs of chemical at rupee 18 per kg. So 2000 into rupees 18 is equal to 36,000. So cost of goods sent for consignment is rupees 36,000. Now the consignor paid freight. The consignor paid freight at rupee 1 per kg. So 2000 into rupee 1 is 2000 rupees. Next, now the goods were received by the consignee and consignee reported that they sold. So here I am writing on the credit side by consignee account and the name of the consignee is National Chemical Company account. So this is the amount of sale proceed. So 1000 kg were sold at rupees 32 per kg. So 32,000 is the amount of sale proceed. Now the consignee has paid the following expenses. So on the debit side I am writing to consignee account or National Chemical Company account. So first is the selling expense. So I am writing here selling expense 1000 kg was sold at rupee 1 per kg. So selling expenses stood rupees 1000. Next is landing charges. So landing charges given rupees 1000. Then brokerage charge. Brokerage is 10% of sale proceed. So 10% of 32,000 is 3,200 and commission is 2.5% of sale proceeds. So 2.5% into 32,000 comes to 800 rupees. Now you have to value the unsold stock. So by unsold stock or consignment stock account. So you need to do a small working to find out the value of unsold stock. So here I am writing working note number 1. So that is valuation of unsold stock. Now it is given in the question that there was a shortage of 40 kg of chemical which will be treated as normal loss. So value of unsold stock we have to calculate considering 40 kg of normal loss. So whenever there is a normal loss, the valuation of unsold stock will be valued by this following formula. So cost of goods consigned, I have already discussed in my previous lecture on consignment that when there is a normal loss, so valuation of unsold stock will be calculated like this. So cost of good consigned into quantity of closing stock divided by available quantity for sale. So there are 3 parameters, and quantity of closing stock you can easily calculate. So here I am writing quantity of closing stock. Quantity of closing stock is equal to there 2000 kg was sent on consignment. Now there was a sale of 1000 kg of chemical and there was a shortage of 40 kg. So 960 kg is the quantity of closing stock. Then available quantity for sale, quantity for sale is equal to 2000 kg was sent for consignment and there was a shortage of 40 kg. So the consignee could sell only 1960 kg. So this is the quantity which is available for sale. Now what is the amount of cost of goods sold? So what is the cost of goods sent? This was, you can see, goods sent on consignment was for 36,000. So cost of goods sent, I am writing here rupees 36,000. Then expense of consignor, expenses incurred by consignor is rupees 2,000, and non-recurring expense incurred by consignee. So only landing charges is the non-recurring expense which was incurred by consignee, and that amount was rupees 1,000. So this is the cost of good consigned, so 39,000. So you can easily calculate by putting these 3 values that I have found out in the equation. So value of closing stock is equal to 39,000. This is the cost of goods consigned into quantity of closing stock 960 kg divided by available quantity for sale is 1960. So value of closing stock is 19,102. So here I am writing the value of closing stock as 19,102. So you need to sum total of the credit side. You will get 51,102. So here I am writing 51,102, and there is a profit on consignment. Profit on consignment account. And the balancing figure is 7,102. So this is the consignment account that you have to prepare, and I have prepared. You can see and you can note it down in your notebook. Now I will prepare the consignee account. So here I am preparing the consignee account, and name of the consignee is National Chemicals Company account. So on debit side you can write to consignment account. This is the amount of sale proceeds, so that is 32,000. And on credit side, this is the amount of expense incurred by the consignee, and this is 6,000. So what are the different items of expenses? One is the selling expense for rupees 1000, then the landing charges for 1000, then brokerage for 3200, and 800 is the amount of commission. So 1000 is selling expense, 1000 is landing charges, 3200 is the brokerage expense, and 800 is the amount of commission that has been retained by the consignee, and the balancing figure has been remitted by consignee to the consignor, and the balancing figure is rupees 26,000. Thank you. Thanks for watching the lecture.